Hi, thank you for viewing my MAD 2 project. This is a project that I've taken up with regards to the Quizmaster V2 option between the household and the Quizmaster, taking the Quizmaster. My name is Jeremy S. Verghese, and my roll number is 21f2001160. I'm currently pursuing I'm in the diploma stage, and tell you a little bit about myself. I have a very entrepreneurial mind. I plan on running businesses in the future, and I believe that having these data science skills and being able to do these things and having these technical skills would really give me an edge in terms of running businesses. Let me move on to showing you a quick demo of the project. So what I've done is I've essentially already started the worker from using Redis and Celery. Now all I've got to do is run the Python app, which I'll do right now. Okay, and let's begin. Alright, so as you can see, I have ensured that the admin creates itself upon the initialization of the app. Let me just find app everywhere. Yeah, as you can see, the admin is created here, and yeah, I just wanted to show that very quickly using the find or create admin. Okay, let's get into the project. So this is the login page. There's login and register option. As you can see, I'm going to log in with the admin. This is the admin dashboard. There's the functionality of being able to search for any subject or chapter. So as you can see, let's go for this subject name, VDSV. As you can see, it comes up right here. If I were also to look for a chapter, for example, these two begin with EFS. As you can see, it pulls up. Moving forward, we have the options of, we have the summary charts here, which show the total quizzes, the total attempts that people have made on these quizzes, and the overall pass rate of the quizzes that have been put out so far. As you can see, there's also a quiz performance overview that shows the quizzes that have been attempted and how many attempts are there. It also shows the success rate of these quizzes. So as you can see, in this particular quiz, there's only a pass rate 42%, whereas there's 100%. Moving forward, you also see the top 3 scorers per quiz. So as you can see, for the quiz that's named Hi Hello, the top scorer is Jeremy, and then there's another scorer called Robin. So as these populate, the tables will get filled up with the top 3 scorers per quiz. Moving forward, we also have a create subject, create chapter, quiz and question section. All of these sections display the existing quizzes, questions, chapters, and so on, with the ability of being able to edit or also delete it. Moving on, let's just, for the sake of the demo, create a new subject. Let's name it Spanish. This is a new language. As you can see, subject is created, and you can see that it's added here on the bottom. In a very similar fashion, we're able to do the same thing for the chapters, quizzes, and questions as well. Let's just also go and do a question. Let's see, let's just pick this quiz. Hello there. This is a question. I'm going to put random options in. And the correct answer we can select here from the drop down, and I can create a question. So as you can see, it's created successfully. Good thing is, when the questions are created, it retains information that's kept here, which can be very useful for creating multiple types of questions with slight variations in them, because oftentimes there are, even in our exams at IIT, we have chained questions, right? So the questions from 12 to 15 are similar, so in those instances this would be pretty useful. As you can see, the question has come here. It also mentions the correct answer, just so the admin knows what it is at a quick glance. So this is the admin dashboard. There's also the ability of being able to download the user quiz attempt. So I'm just going to click and show that works. It shows that there's a report generation that's begun. So click OK. The report will generate. So as you can see, there's a user quiz attempt report that's come. If I do open it, as you can see, it shows the ID. That's just listing the different users, as you can see. It also shows the quiz ID, the attempts, attempt number. So as you can see, this user's attempted quiz number 2 multiple times. So you can see the attempts that they've made, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And as you can see, for each of those, the scores are also there, including the pass and fail outcome and the timestamp of the attempt. So this is done. Moving on. I'm going to now show you the user side of the website. One thing that I'd also like to mention is that I have unfortunately not been able to implement the monthly activity report, as well as the daily reminder of if there's any new quiz that's implemented. And also for the caching process, I have not unfortunately been able to implement that. So I did want to inform you about that. I know that it is a core functionality which must be completed, but I haven't. But nevertheless, I thought I should submit my project since I've done this much, and that's why I decided to do this. Moving on, I'm going to log out of the admin side and then get into the user side. There we go. This is the user side. As you can see, we can see the different subjects, chapters, and the quizzes underneath them. It's listed with a date, which tells you when the quiz is expected to be submitted by. Let's just, you can also see the new subject that we've just added here. Obviously there are no chapters, which is why the table is empty. But moving on, we can attempt any quiz. Let's just do this quiz. So as you can see, it shows you a quick preview of what the quiz is about before you begin. Once you get in, the timer works. There's an option to exit, and there's the questions with the various options that you've got. So I'm just going to select the options, and as you can see, when I click submit, it gives you a quick score review as soon as you complete it. Finally, there's the scores section where you can see the scores of the quizzes that you have attempted. And this is the quiz that we just did right now. As you can see, the time correlates with what we're doing right now. There's also a summary page that shows you the total quizzes attempted, how many you've passed in them and how many you failed. It also shows you the average score that you've gotten per quiz. It shows you the last quiz attempted and the timestamp of that. It also gives you a performance overview of how many quizzes you've passed and how many quizzes you've failed. So here we've attempted only 2 and both of them were passed, so it's green. Otherwise there'll be a red section to the chart as well, where you can visually see how many you failed. It should give you a good measure of success. And that is the project. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm looking forward to hopefully getting through with this. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it.